If you are tired of babysitting ChatGPT like it is a toddler on a sugar crash, you are definitely not alone. Most AI tools today promise automation, but in reality, you spend hours writing the perfect prompt just to get a generic answer. Autonomous AI claims to fix this by being a self-running employee that thinks for itself. No babysitting required. But does it actually work, or is it just more hype? Let's find out. Hey everyone, Kamal here from TestedApps.com. I have spent the last 6 years in the affiliate trenches, testing software so you do not have to. I review tech tools, I break them, and I tell you if they are worth your hard-earned money. Today we are looking at autonomous AI. This is an honest review, real results, no fluff, just the facts. Before we dive in, if you decide to grab this tool, make sure you use the link in the description below. I have put together an exclusive bonus package that fills in the gaps of this software. You can see the full details of those bonuses right inside the description box. AI. So what exactly is autonomous AI? It is a cloud-based software powered by what they call the Code Red engine. It is designed for affiliate marketers, content creators, and agencies who are sick of typing prompts. The main promise here is simple. It is not a chatbot. It is a digital workforce. You give it a big goal like driving traffic or building a website, and it figures out the steps on its own. It plans, it executes, and it improves without you hovering over it. Using it is actually pretty scary simple. It breaks down into 3 steps. Step 1 is activation. You log into the dashboard and turn on the autonomous engine. It's easier than setting up a new iPhone. Step 2 is setting the goal. You don't write a long paragraph, you just tell it what you want. For example, you say, I want traffic, or I want leads. That is it. Step 3 is the autopilot phase. The AI takes that goal and starts creating tasks. It writes content, builds pages, or generates videos. You step away, grab a coffee, and let it run. Now let's talk about what actually moves the needle for your business. First is the agent mode. This is the biggest selling point. Normal AI waits for you to tell it exactly what to do. This thing acts like an employee. You assign the outcome and it does the heavy lifting. This saves you hours of staring at a blinking cursor. Second is asset creation. Most tools just give you text. Autonomous AI goes further. It can build full landing pages and publish them. It can create viral short videos for TikTok or YouTube. It even designs the thumbnails. It's like having a designer, a writer, and a video editor in one box. Third is the voice command feature. If you are lazy like me, you'll love this. You can literally talk to the app. You give voice commands like you're talking to Alexa, and it executes them. Finally, there's the commercial license. This is included on the front end. It means you can sell the websites, videos, or articles this tool creates. You keep 100% of the profit. That's a solid win for agencies. Let's talk money. The front-end price for autonomous AI is around $14.95. That's a one-time payment. Compare that to ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 every single month, or hiring a freelancer on Fiverr, which can cost $50 for just one video. With this, you pay once and you own the system forever. It pays for itself after your first project. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hey, stop whatever you're doing for just a moment and listen carefully. Let me ask you something. Honestly, how much of your day is spent doing the same repetitive work? Posting content, writing emails, updating websites, checking analytics, scheduling posts, fixing funnels, optimizing ads, doing it again and again and again. Now ask yourself this. Why are you still doing this manually in 2026? Because here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Assisted AI is already outdated. Typing prompts, waiting for outputs, correcting mistakes, copy-pasting between tools, babysitting AI like an intern. That's not automation. That's just digital busywork. Meanwhile, your competitors are moving into something far more dangerous, something far more powerful. They're not using AI anymore. They're letting AI run everything for them. 24/7, hands-free, no prompts, no supervision, and that's where everything changes. The big shift. AI isn't evolving slowly, it's jumping stages. From chatbots, prompt tools, assistants, to fully autonomous AI systems that decide what to do, create their own tasks, execute full workflows, improve results automatically, scale without human input. This is the same direction OpenAI is heading, the same future Elon Musk warns about, the same shift Silicon Valley is racing toward. And today, you can access it before everyone else does. Introducing Autonomous AI, powered by OpenAI, GPT, Operator. Code Red, Autonomous Engine activated. This is not another AI tool. This is a 100% self-running AI system that replaces entire human roles and runs your business for you. No prompts, no micromanagement, no babysitting. You set the goal once. Autonomous AI does everything else. What makes it different? Let me be crystal clear. Autonomous AI doesn't wait for instructions. It thinks, plans, acts, optimizes, repeats, automatically. While you sleep, while you travel, while you focus on growth. This is operator-level AI intelligence, not a chatbot. What autonomous AI does for you. Auto-creates content, posts, blogs, ads, and emails. Generates images, videos, reels, files, and shorts. Auto-publishes and schedules daily content. Builds websites, pages, and funnels automatically. Generates traffic and tracks performance. Optimizes and scales what works. It replaces content creators, social media managers, marketers, editors, SEO specialists, virtual assistants. One system, one dashboard. No salaries, no excuses. And yes, commercial rights are included. Sell services, run agencies, manage clients, build brands, launch businesses. The best part, it's shockingly simple. No tech skills, no learning curve, no setup nightmare. If you can click a button, you can run an autonomous AI business. Limited time launch offer. Right now, during this exclusive launch, you can unlock autonomous AI, Code Red Engine for a tiny one-time payment. No monthly fees, no subscriptions, no hidden charges, just lifetime access to full autonomy. But be warned, this is not staying open. Once this launch ends, price increases, monthly plans activate, early access disappears. This window closes forever. Final question. Do you want to keep doing everything manually, babysitting AI tools, trading time for output? Or do you want a business that runs itself, AI that thinks and acts for you, growth on autopilot? This is the moment. Take action now. Click the button below and activate Autonomous AI, Code Red Engine today. You're protected by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. Zero risk, total control, full autonomy. But don't close this page. Once capacity is reached, that's it. Click below and let autonomous AI run your business. Starting now.
Now be aware there are upgrades in the funnel. Here's what you need to know. OTO1 is the unlimited mode. It costs $39. This removes all the limits on how many campaigns or sites you can build. If you're serious about this, you probably need this one. OTO2 is the autonomous agent mode for $49. This unlocks deeper automation where the AI handles more complex multi-step tasks. Then you have OTO7, the traffic engine, for $39. This helps drive eyeballs to the stuff you just built. There's also OTO Mine, the white label license, for $39. This allows you to rebrand the software and sell it as your own. That price is honestly a steal for a white label license. Here's my personal take. I put this through my usual torture test. The concept of goal-based AI is the future. It feels less like using a tool and more like managing a team. However, remember that AI is still software. It's not magic. It works best when you give it clear directions. But for the price of a cheap lunch, the amount of time it saves on boring tasks like setting up landing pages is incredible. Let's be real for a second. This isn't a magic button that prints money while you stare at the wall. It's a tool. If you don't have a product to sell or a niche to target, the AI can't help you. It multiplies your effort, but it does not replace your brain. You still need to check the work before you publish it. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, keep scrolling. This is for people who want to work smarter, not harder. Imagine waking up and finding that your blog posts are written, your videos are created, and your landing pages are live. That's the freedom autonomous AI offers. It takes the grunt work off your plate so you can focus on the big picture. But launch pricing like this usually disappears fast. If you want to lock in the one-time price, you need to act now. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you save some time or money, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff reviews. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. I'll see you in the next one.